My dear friends, my brothers and sisters, when I was young, I never thought I would one day speak English in front of thousands of people. I was just a small town girl who failed many times in school. But one thing changed my life the moment I decided to improve a little every single day. That is what I want to share with you today. A simple daily routine that can help you improve your English step by step. You don't need to be a genius. You don't need to go abroad. You just need consistency, passion, and a positive attitude. People always ask me, Jack, how can I speak English fluently? I tell them, don't focus on learning English fast. Focus on learning it every day. Because success doesn't come overnight. It comes from small efforts repeated daily. English is the same. If you want to speak fluently, make English part of your daily life. When I was young, I didn't learn English from books. I learned it from life. Every morning, I woke up at 500 a.m. and rode my bicycle to a hotel where foreigners stayed. I offered to guide them around my city for free. I just wanted to talk to them, to listen, to practice. I did that for 9 years. I didn't have money, but I had curiosity. I was not fluent, but I was consistent. That's what made the difference. So if you want to improve English, build a simple routine that you can follow every day. The first thing you must do is fill your morning with English. As soon as you wake up, say something in English. Don't worry about grammar or mistakes, just speak. Say good morning. Today is going to be a great day. When you begin the day with English, how your brain stays in English mode for hours. That's how you train your mind to think in English. Every morning, spend at least 10 minutes speaking to yourself. For example, say, I'm going to work today. I'll meet my boss. I'll finish my report. Speak out loud. Don't whisper. When you speak out loud, you improve pronunciation, confidence, and fluency at the same time. Many people are shy to speak. But remember, if you don't speak, you can never improve. Speaking is like exercising a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it becomes. I learned English because I spoke it even when nobody listened. I talked to myself, to strangers, even to trees sometimes. I didn't care who was listening. I just wanted to practice. Must do the same. Make your mouth your classroom. Every word you speak is practice. The second part of your routine should be listening. Listening is the foundation of language. When you listen to good English, your brain absorbs rhythm, tone, and pronunciation naturally. You don't need to memorize. It becomes automatic. Listen to English speeches, songs, or podcasts daily. You can listen while walking, cooking, or traveling. I used to listen to the English radio every night, even when I didn't understand everything. Slowly, the words started to make sense. Listening improves your speaking more than grammar books ever can. So, listen to people who inspire you. Listen to motivational speeches, interviews, or news in English. Even 15 minutes a day can change your speaking forever. The third thing you can do is read something small every day. Don't try to read difficult novels. Start with short articles, motivational stories, or news headlines. Reading builds your vocabulary naturally. When you read, don't focus only on meaning. Focus on how sentences are built. Notice how people use simple words to express big ideas. That's how you'll learn to speak powerfully using simple English. Every time you find a new word, don't just memorize it. Use it in a sentence immediately. For example, if you learn the word achieve, say, I will achieve my goals this year. When you use new words in your daily talk, they become part of your active memory. This is how fluency grows word by word, sentence by sentence. Another habit that helped me was shadowing. Shadowing means listening to a sentence in English and repeating it right away. It's like copying the speaker in real time. This technique helps you improve accent, pronunciation, and speaking speed. You can do this while watching videos or listening to podcasts. If someone says, believe in yourself, pause and repeat it the same way. You'll feel your English becoming more natural. The more you copy, the more your brain learns how English flows. You don't memorize the lyrics, you follow the rhythm. English is the same. It's music. Feel its rhythm, not just the grammar. The next part of your routine is writing a few sentences daily. You don't need to write essays. Just write your thoughts. Write about your day, your goals, your dreams. When you write in English, you slow down and understand your mistakes. It improves your structure and vocabulary. Even writing 10 lines a day can make a big difference after a month. Every night before sleeping, I'll write a short paragraph like, I talked to my friend in English. I felt confident. This reflection builds a deeper connection with the language. Don't worry about perfect grammar. Focus on expressing yourself clearly. It's about connection. It's about connection. Another powerful way to improve English every day is to change your phone and app settings to English. Make your daily environment full of English. Read your social media in English, comment in English, and text your friends in English. The more exposure you have, the faster you'll learn. Surround yourself with the language until it becomes part of you. When you live in English, you stop feeling it as a subject. You start feeling it as a skill, a part of your daily life. Remember, the goal is to become perfect in 30 days. Small progress every day creates big success later. Another secret I learned is to celebrate your mistakes. Many people fear speaking because they are afraid to be wrong. But mistakes are your best teachers. Every mistake shows you the path to improvement. When I spoke to foreigners for the first time, I made hundreds of mistakes. They laugh sometimes. But they also helped me, and I kept going. If I had stopped because of fear, I would never have learned English. So don't be afraid. The more you speak, the more you improve. The more you improve, the more confident you become. Confidence is the real secret to fluency. Not grammar, not vocabulary, confidence. Every morning tell yourself, I can speak English. I am improving every day. This simple affirmation will reprogram your brain. Your words create your reality. If you say you can't, your brain stops trying. If you say you can, your brain finds a way. Always remember, English is not a measure of intelligence. It's just a tool. But when you master this tool, it can open thousands of doors. It can connect you to people, opportunities, and knowledge. When I was learning English, I never imagined it would one day help me build Alibaba and speak to the world. But it did, because language connects hearts and ideas. That's why I tell every student, don't learn English just for exams or jobs. Learn it to grow, to communicate, to understand the world better. Make English your bridge, not your burden. If you practice this simple routine every day, you'll see magic happen. Wake up and speak a few lines. Listen while working or walking. Read something small. Write a few sentences before bed. That's all. This simple cycle builds your fluency faster than you can imagine. In 30 days, you'll feel the difference. In 60 days, others will notice. In 90 days, you'll start thinking in English. That's how progress happens. Not overnight, but step by step. You must be patient. Many people give up after 1 week. They say, I practiced for 7 days, but nothing changed. Remember, language is like planting a tree. The first week you water the seed, but you don't see the plant. Keep watering, keep trusting the process, and one day it grows strong. Your English will grow the same way. Don't compare yourself with others. Everyone's journey is different. Some people learn fast, others learn slowly, but both reach the destination if they don't stop. Be kind to yourself. Celebrate small wins. Even if you spoke 1 new sentence today, that's progress. Even if you understood 1 new word, that's growth. And growth is what matters. Every expert was once a beginner. Every fluent speaker was once shy. I was shy too. But I believed that I could improve. Let me remind you again. Success in English is not about talent. It's about discipline. It's about showing up every day even when you don't feel like it. It's about turning English from a fear into a friend. So from today, start your routine. Speak in the morning, listen during the day, read in the afternoon, write at night. Keep this habit alive for 30 days. Don't skip, don't wait, don't doubt. Just do it. You'll look back and realize how far you've come. You'll no longer be learning English. You'll be living it. You'll speak naturally, confidently, and proudly. And you'll inspire others to do the same. Remember what I said. If you improve just 1% every day after 1 year, you'll be 365% better. That's the power of small daily effort. Use that power. English is your key to a bigger world. And the routine I shared with you is the door. Open it today. Don't wait for the right time. The right time is now. Speak your dreams out loud. Practice every day and never stop believing. Because once you commit, nothing can stop you. The world belongs to those who take action, not those who only plan. So take action now. No matter how broken it sounds, tomorrow it will sound better. Every day it will sound stronger. And one day you'll speak with the same confidence you once dreamed of. Believe me, if I could do it, you can do it too. All you need is a simple routine, a strong mindset, and the courage to never give up. Your English journey starts with one small step today. Fiend. Check it now. With other two sets of O's. By D. In speak, listen, read, write, and live English every day, because one day your voice will inspire millions, and they will say this person never gave up. Thank you for listening, and don't forget to like and subscribe, my dear.